Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you ever have a problem with your GCash account and you need a support team to help you? Don't worry because I'll teach you how you can contact GCash customer service. Let's dive in. Let's start by opening the browser and then go ahead and visit the official GCash website. Next, click on the Help Center located in the top right corner. Once you're on the Help Center page, scroll down and click on Contact Us. For your convenience, I'll include a link to the Help Center in the video description. On the Contact Us page, you have various options. You can browse the Help Center, chat with Gigi, the AI bot, or engage in live chat support. Clicking on Chat with Gigi opens a chat window where you can interact with the AI bot. Alternatively, you can opt for live chat support to connect with a real agent who can assist you with your concerns. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily contact GCash customer service for any assistance you may need. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.